Steve Bannis with Good Karma Coffee. Here's the nice quick tour of the Fellow XF Dripper. I also got a Fellow Taster's Cup. So I got 21 grams in, and I'm gonna go up to 350 grams. I'm gonna start my timer here. Is it going? Yep, off it goes. So we're gonna go 63 for the bloom, and stop for a second, close enough. Give a little stir. Wait about 30 seconds or so. Give it 9 seconds here. You can see that it's working pretty fast. 6, 7, 8, 9. Pour again. I don't want to stick too close to the walls. Just want to stay in the middle. You can do this with any pour, by the way. You don't have to have a special kettle for this Stagg Dripper. It works nice with anything. I did some videos on about pour overs, different types of pour overs, all sorts of things. You can look up on YouTube or on my Instagram. Now, all I got to do with this Stagg is I do 2 pours. One you just saw, which is called the bloom, and the second one I'm going to go up to about, well, you can see down there, 350. Well, close enough. It doesn't necessarily matter exactly the pattern you do in the manner. Just don't go too close to the edges. Keep a steady pour. I'm going to top and go beyond 350. I'm not careful. Boom. There you go. Close enough. As you can see, everything is close enough. I mean, a few seconds here, a few grams here. Now I'm going to give this a little stir now around 345, 145, 140. Pretty well halfway. I give that a little shake, as you can see, simply because I want to level the bed and I want to get it off as much as I can off of the filter. It's creeping up to 2 minutes, and let's have a look, see what happens. There's not much else to do, only get excited over your first cup of coffee. Now I'm lifting it up a bit because I think it's probably pushed down. Let's see. Yeah, just at the top. Probably 300 would have been better for this, to tell you the truth, for my cup. Because if I put it down, I'm going to go right into the coffee. Oh, here we go. Finishing up right about, boom. About 2.5 minutes. Look at that. Sweet. Anyway, that's the Stagg XF Dripper. That's it for now.